Okay, so we have reached the last of the architecture layer, which is the backend services or the cloud or backend as a services. Now, this layer is where the management of infrastructure, security, authentications of user, third party integration, and so on actually happens. Excuse me. So, this layer provides the necessary cloud infrastructure for our user authentication, data storage, and secure payments without need to manage our own server. So the platform we have used is Firebase and Razorpay, and we chose backend as a service because scalability is there, elasticity is there, rapid deployment can be done. We don't have to worry about management and so on. The key components like Firebase authentication, Firebase Firestore, and cloud functions and SDK integration. So the authentication which happens, this function handles all user sign up and sign in flows securely, including Google sign in or phone and OTP sign in. It also manages sessions and provides unique UID, which is used by the system. The Firestore is a real time no SQL database, and it acts as the source of truth for each user's subscription status, like trial has end date or trial end date, expiry date, subscription date, subscription expiry date, and so on. Now, the Firebase Cloud Functions, this is our secure serverless backend. The verify razor payment function, which we have created, it runs on Google's servers, and its only job is to securely verify a payment with Razorpay server and then validate, update the user's record in the Firestore. So this is the core of our secure payment mode. And the last third party integration we have done is with Razorpay SDK. So this is the client side library that provides the payment UI and handles the transaction process within the application.